Hello class 6, welcome back to another session of mathematics class. This is your Avijit sir, and today I'll be presenting you the topic construction of angles. Constructions of angles using compass and ruler. In this chapter, we will learn to construct an angle of 60 degree, an angle of 30 degree, an angle of 90 degree, an angle of 45 degree, an angle of 120 degree, an angle of 135 degree, and lastly an angle of 75 degree. So constructions of an angle of 60 degree. Now how to construct this angle 60 degree? So first of all, we have to draw a line segment OA, any suitable length. So you can take 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter, and using ruler you can draw a straight line OA. And then with center O, take the O as the center and draw an arc with the use of compass. So draw an arc of any suitable radius that cuts OA at point O. With B as the center, draw an arc of same size to cut the first arc at point C. And then join OC and extend up to a suitable point O, then DOA equals to 60 degree. Okay, I'll explain it. So first of all, what you do, first you take a ruler and draw any length. Say I have drawn OA as 5 centimeter. Now take O as the center, draw one arc with your compass. Now when you have drawn one arc, then you will cut the line OA. So where you are cutting the line OA, name it as B. Name it as B and put your compass at B, and then cut this arc. Where you are cutting the arc, that part is becoming point C. Now what you do, take the ruler and join this line. You have to go through the point C and extend the line. So then this angle will become 60 degree. Okay, so this is how you have to draw angle 60 degree. Next, constructions of an angle of 30 degree. Now, as you have drawn in your previous as 60 degree, you will draw accordingly 60 degree, and as you know, half of 60 degree is 30 degree. So let's see the instructions. First, draw an angle AOB 60 degree as explained in the first diagram, and then taking C and D as the center, draw arcs of equal radii to cut each other at point E. Bisect this angle to get the angles of 30 degree each, thus EOB equals to 30 degree. The line OE bisect angle AOB. Okay, now I'll just explain you how to do. Now already I have taught you how to draw this 60 degree. So after drawing 60 degree, now you put your compass on this C and then put your compass this C and then cut here. Okay, now you put your compass on D and cut this side. Now when you cut these two sides, you will intersect somewhere in point E. Now put your ruler and try to coincide with point E by drawing a line. Now this angle is equal to this angle. That means this is 60 degree and this is bisector. Bisector means cutting the angle into two equal halves. That means half. That means 30 degree. This is 30 degree and this is 30 degree. Okay, that means angle AOE is 30 degree and angle EOB is also 30 degree. Why? Because OE is the bisector of angle AOB. Bisector means dividing the angle into two equal halves. So this is how you can draw angle 30 degree. So angle AOE equals to angle BOE equals to 30 degree. I hope you have understood how to draw 30 degree. Construction of angle of 90 degree. Now 90 degree can be constructed in two methods. So let's see the first method, how to construct an angle of 90 degree. So this is how you have to draw 90 degree, which is also known as perpendicular. So let's see how to draw. Let's see the instructions. The first method, let OA be the line segment on which an angle of 90 degree is to be constructed at point O. Now with O as the center, draw an arc of a suitable radius that cut OA at point B. With B as the center, draw an arc with the same radius as taken in the first one, then cut the first arc at point C. Again, with C as the center and with the same radius, draw one more arc so that it cuts the first arc at point D. With C and D as the center, draw two arcs of equal radius so that they intersect at point E. Now all of you see here how to draw. I'll explain you. Now see, first you draw a straight line of any length, say 5 centimeter. So OA is 5 centimeter. Now take O as the center and with your compass you draw one arc of any radius. Okay, after drawing an arc, then you can see where the arc is cutting the line OA at B. Now at B you put your compass and cut this arc, the same radius that you have taken in the first. Cut this arc. Now where you cut the arc, that is actually point C. Okay, now again put your compass at point C and then cut D. So D is another point. Now take D as the center with your compass and cut one arc here, and again put your compass on C and then cut in this cutting the second arc, and where they join, that particular point will become point E. Now after where they intersect that point E, now use a ruler and try to coincide point E. Now this line that you have drawn is 90 degree and is also known as perpendicular. Okay, so this is how you have to draw 90 degree. So join point O and E, and AOE is 90 degree. This is the first method to construct an angle of 90 degree. Now we will learn the second method to construct 90 degree. The second method is, let AB be the line segment and other point where an angle of 90 degree is to be drawn. Now with O as the center, so if you have taken say 6 centimeters, so center will be automatically 3. So that 3 where it is coming, you measure with your scale where you're getting 3, that is O, okay, the center. So with O as the center, draw 2 arcs to cut AB at point C and D. Now with C and D as center, draw 2 more arcs of equal radii so that they intersect at point E, and join point O and D. Then angle AOE equals to 90 degree and angle BOE is equal to 90 degree. So in both the constructions discussed above, OE is said to be perpendicular to the segment OA at point O. Now let's see how to draw this 90 degree. First you draw AB, say 6 centimeter, and with your ruler you see where 3 centimeter is coming, that center point will be O. Now put your compass here and cut the line and mark it as D, and this side you cut and mark it as C. Now taking D and C as the center, put your compass on D and cut the top, and again put your compass on the center C, and one more cut you have to do up, and where they intersect, that particular point is actually E, okay. And now you have to use the ruler and coincide with the point E, that is the perpendicular or 90 degree. So angle AOE is 90 degree, and also angle BOE also is 90 degree, because as you know straight line is 180, so you are bisecting the straight line into 2 equal halves, 90-90. So I hope everybody understood how to construct 90 degree in 2 methods. Next we will try to understand how to construct 45 degree. So 45 degree means half of 90 degree. So first of all we have to construct the angle 90 degree and bisect the angle, and then we'll get exactly 45 degree. So draw an angle of 90 degree and then bisect each. So all of you know how to draw 90 degree, just now we did it. So first we'll draw this 90 degree, and after drawing this 90 degree, then we'll draw one arc, and then this point we will take the compass and cut here, and this point we will take the compass and cut this side. So where they join, we'll extend the line and join the point E, and when we extend this point, this line, then it becomes the bisector. That means it divides the angle into 2 equal halves. So angle AOF is 45 and this angle is also 45. So therefore we can draw first 90 degree and then bisect the angle to get the 45 degree. For that you have to draw the arc. Once more I am telling, for that you have to first you draw 90 degree with your compass, and then you draw one arc, and where it is cutting OB, mark it as P and put your compass on P, and then cut one arc here, and again you put your compass on OA, that is D, and then put your compass here and mark another arc, and where they intersect, that point you mark it as F, and then extend the line and join F. So that particular angle will become 45 degree. It is bisecting the angle 90 degree. This is how you have to draw it. So next, how to construct angle 120 degree. That means we have to draw 60 degree and another 60. This is one way, or you can draw first 90 and then you can draw 30 degree. The other way. So let's see the instructions. So with center O on the line segment OA, draw an arc to cut OA at point C. With C is the center, draw one more arc with the same radius so that it cuts the first arc at point D. With D as the center, draw one more arc of the same radius so that it cuts the first arc at E. And then join OE and extend it up to a suitable point B. And therefore AOB is 90 degree. So what you have to do, first you draw a line segment of any length. After you have drawn, then make the O as the center and with your compass draw one arc. After drawing the arc, then where you have cut the line OA, that particular point is C. Now take C as the center and put your compass on C and cut one arc. So where you are cutting that arc, actually that is point D, and that is actually 60 degree. Now again you put your compass on point D and cut one more arc. So when you cut one more arc, that point becomes E. So this is another 60. So 60 and 60 is 120. Now where it cuts E, there with your ruler you join this line and extend it to B. Therefore angle BOA or AOB is equal to 120 degree. This is how you have to draw. Next construction we have to do is of 135 degree. So 90 plus 45. So first we have to draw 90 and then we have to draw 45 degree. So let's see how to do. Follow the instruction. Draw an angle BOA at 90 degree at point O of the given line segment AC. Now bisect the angle BOC. Bisect the angle BOC. Clearly angle BOC is also 90 degree. Thus BOD is equal to COD is equal to 45. Okay. Now see, what you have to do is, first you draw a straight line of any length. Okay. Take O as the center and draw one arc. Okay. After drawing an arc, then you know exactly how to draw 90 degree. Take O as the B as the center. You can cut here. Again you take, and this is D. Now from here you can take as the center D and then cut here. Then from here you can cut here, and from D you can cut, and then you can draw 90 degree. After you have drawn 90 degree, then you draw, already you have drawn an arc. Now what you do, this point, from here this point you put your compass and cut it here, and from this point you put your compass and cut here. Okay, where you have cut, that line you extend it. So that is 45 degree. Now when you draw 135, that means from here to here is your 135 degree. So this is 90 and this is 45. So 90 plus 45 is 135. So first you draw 90 degree, and from there you draw one arc, and then take this as center and then cut this arc. Again you take this as center and cut this as arc, and where they intersect, that line you extend it, and that will become 45 degree. Now from here to here it will become 135 degree. This is how you have to draw 135 degree with your compass and ruler. So angle AOD equals to 90 plus 45 equals to 135 degree. Now the last construction, that is of 75 degree. So let's see how to draw. Follow the instruction, draw an angle 60 degree. So now all of you know how to draw 60 degree. Then bisect angle DOE so that angle EOC is equal to DO equals to 15 degree. So 60 plus 15 is 75. Thus AOC equals to AOE plus EOC equals to 60 plus 15 equals to 75 degree. So first draw this line and then draw an arc from the center O, then cut it from, keep your compass here and cut this, then you will get 60 degree. Now after you get 60 degree, then from here you put your compass and cut here, and from here you put your compass and cut here. This is 15 degree. So from here to here it is 75 degree. This is how you have to draw 75 degree. So this is how you have to draw 75 degree. So many more angles can be drawn with such combinations. For example, if you want to draw 105, first you have to draw 90 degree and then you have to draw 15 degree. So 90 plus 15 is 105. Similarly, if you are told to draw 150 degree, you can draw it. First you have to draw 90 degree and then you have to draw 60 degree. So you know how to draw 90 and 60. So if you add it, then you will get 150. Now remember one thing, that if this is a 90 degree, then this side will be less than 90. That means 30, 60, 75, all this angle will come this side. But if it is more than 90 degree, then it will come this side. Okay, like 120, 135, all these angles will come this side. So remember, don't make opposite way. If you draw this side 135, then it will become wrong. I hope how to draw 75 degrees is very clear to all of you. And if you are told any other angles to draw, so you can break it and you can draw like 90 plus 15, or say 150 degree, you can break it 90 plus 60, or you can break it to 120 plus 30. You know how to draw 120 and 30 degree. So hope you all have understood the lesson. We will soon meet in our next session. Till then, take care. This is Avjit sir signing off. Thank you.